everybody, my name is Fanatic Gaming, and today we are watching Baby I'm Sheep, yeah, from the ASDF movie 10 song, and this is from Lil D's Dance. So please subscribe him, hit the like button, and comment down. And can you please comment down below if you like it or not? Sorry about that. And then we'll go to, and then yeah, and then yeah, let's watch it. So are you guys ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Say pee pee Say pee pee So I haven't seen this one.
Some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one behave like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe! Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do now.
That's like dude. Everybody do the flop.
Just bounce around, it's easy for me.
Bouncy. It's a pee pee sheep. It's a pee pee sheep. Have you seen this one? Sheep. I said pee pee sheep. Pee pee sheep. I said pee pee. Pee pee. Pee sheep. Pee got to pee pee. Pee pee.
So, you know how to beep like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do? Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and
Oh my god. That just looks pretty cool. Cow? Oh yeah. Cow. I said yeah. Meow meow, cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. Say meow meow, I'm a cow. You got the beep beep. The beep beep on beep beep beep. You got the beep beep. Beep 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 on the sheep. Alright guys, that was all for the video. And can someone please comment down below if you want me to see another one. You want me to see another one, and I'll see you guys in the other episode. Goodbye.